We're back here in another video. Oh, frick. And today I got an air horn. So, let's go test it out. Yeah. It's kind of loud, actually. But Cope can't be outside, which I don't know if he's outside or not. Yeah, let's get the earplugs in because it's like a shriek kind of thing. So yeah, let's go. Ow, frick. I stepped on a rock. Cope out here. Nope, we're good. Cope! Cope, come here. Just gotta make sure he's not out here. If he's out here, he'll never be my friend. And he'll quit being in the YouTube videos. So yeah, let's do this. Switch your hands. Nope. Switch hands. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Shoreline air horn, marine air horn. Bought at Walmart for $5. Okay, now let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do a couple more times. No. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'll probably get the cops called on me today. Someday. Or something. I don't know. But it's fun. Like, really fun. Rogue? Hey, Rogue. What's going? Yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I don't want hate comments. I get a lot of hate comments. Except my rabbit one. My rabbit only got like 2. Sorry. But my rabbit only had 2. But I Spy one. That a lot. Almost all of them were hate comments. About like 4 of them weren't. So yeah. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and peace.